Hi, we're back. We're in London for MCM Comic Con for the whole weekend. This is day one, Friday. Reese, what are we up to?
We're going to head out and get some breakfast first, then going to check out the convention, look for some potential purchases over the weekend as well.
Also, Alan is here. He's off camera. Right, we're super hungry. Let's go get some breakfast. Alright, we've just eaten, that was delicious. Reese, can you remember what the name of that cafe was?
Not a clue.
No, neither can I, but if you go back to the start of the video, you better see when we walked in there and see the name of the cafe. It was really delicious. Next stop, Comic Con.
Not worth the wait.
Yeah, we are going to come here, but we'll come later. We'll stop to the Yu-Gi-Oh stand. We're not that sure what's going on. Reese and Alan are getting really into it though. Let's watch. Reese, how's it going?
I don't know what I'm doing. Just like pressing things and hope for the best.
Oh, I guess that's the end. I've had enough of this. That's not very good. I felt like there was just loads of random, pointless encounters, and the controls weren't very good. Hey, we're just at the Hasbro stand. There's a bit of a lull in all the noise, so hopefully you can hear us. It's quite a cool setup. There's a whole bunch of exclusive toys, and you can do a bunch of cosplay things. So let's go have some fun.
So we're in the wild now. So we're currently in London City in the XL Arena. Here we see wild humans everywhere, all dressed up, ready for an amazing Comic Con. We're currently waiting for our co-explorer Richard Blades. Probably doing a number 2 to be fair, but who knows? We'll see you in about 5 minutes or so. I haven't got my watch on.
Hi, I'd say we're about half time now. It's been pretty good so far. Just done the IT panel. That was good fun, and I just done a toilet break, which was good. Actually, the interesting thing about the toilets was there's a big queue for the first 2 cubicles, then you went around the corner, there was like 15 empty cubicles that no one knew were there. That's my interesting toilet fact. So it's getting towards the end of the day. It's just gone 6. We're heading to the Funko stand, check out the exclusives, and maybe do some purchasing. What are your thoughts, Reese?
I don't know.
Are you going to buy anything?
I don't know. I'll check out the exclusives. I mean, they look good in the photos, but we'll see how they look in the front.
Okay. All right. Let's go. What do you think, Reese?
I'm a bit disappointed with the Joker one. Literally just the Arkham Asylum one. I have the original, so I may come back and have a look and see if I can be swayed by the
Very
chrome
shiny.
of it. It's very shiny, but the Hulk one looks better. Hulk does look a lot better.
Just done my first purchase. I've got some oven gloves, practical, useful for my cooking, and I won't burn my hands when I have some dinner. Hey, how great. Alright guys, we're done for the day. Heading back to the hotel. We've done a few purchases, had some fun. We'll be back tomorrow for more of the same, but probably a lot more spending. If you've enjoyed this, subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, give us a wave, Reese. Bye.